Hey, it's Nasty Spending. Welcome to our nature. Welcome to Tanzania. This is our beach. You can see the water is so far away. It's kind of the nature. I don't know to your place, but this beach has a lot of dirt. I almost even cut myself. Look at that. Ouch. So this is our nature. This is our reality. It's called Coco Beach, though. Not all the beaches are like this. So welcome in Tanzania. Welcome to our nature. I love my country. I love my nature. So bye. Vote for me. I love you. I'll vote for you too and give me a follow. Mwah.